Hi, my name is Pete Zaglinski. I'm CEO and co-founder at Seabin project. So Seabin is an Australian company. We specialise in developing clean tech to get the microplastics and floating pollution out of the water. So the Seabin is a cross between a garbage bin and a pool skimmer, and we literally skim the surface of the water for microplastics and oil and plastic bottles. It comes through the unit, we pump it out the bottom, and then we filter it in the middle. It's a really effective item. We're collecting an average of 3.6 tonnes a day, filtering over 500 million litres a day as well. And currently we're operational in 53 countries. So it's quite exciting times for us right now. We're with the AMGC federal government grant. This has enabled us to reshore our manufacturing from Europe to Australia. We've managed to create employment, so we've directly onboarded 5 positions in Seabin. We've also engaged with 3 other Australian businesses, which is also creating employment within their businesses. It's absolutely amazing, and what's even better is that this is all focused on the environment, keeping Australia clean, keeping Australia beautiful and sustainable.